Welcome to another video. We have an Olympiad question before us. 7 raised to the power of x plus x is equal to 700. X is equal to what? Let us go ahead now and find the value of x. Let's get started. The only way to find the value of x is to use the famous Lambda W function. According to the Lambda W, if we have say k times e raised to the power of k, if we apply the Lambda W to this expression in the parentheses, the whole of the left-hand side is just equal to k. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to move x to the right-hand side. We are going to have 7 raised to the power of x is equal to 700 minus x. I'm going to group these two terms together. The next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides of the equation by 7 raised to the power of x. 7 raised to the power of x will cancel. We are going to have 1 on the left-hand side, which is equal to, and here we have 700 minus x. Here we have 1 over 7 raised to the power of x. 1 over 7 raised to the power of x is equal to, if we apply this rule, so this is going to give us 7 raised to the power of minus x. So we are going to have times 7 raised to the power of minus x. In the parentheses, we have 700 minus x. I want to replicate this 700 minus x in the exponent. To achieve this, I am going to multiply both sides of the equation by 7 raised to the power of 700. Okay? We have 7 raised to the power of 700 is equal to, here we have 700 minus x times, here we will apply the multiplication law of indices. Since we have a common base of 7, we will retain the common base of 7 and add the exponent. We are going to have 700 minus x. On the right hand side, we have 700 minus x times. Here, I am going to introduce e using this rule. If we have e raised to the power of the natural log of x, this is equal to x. Because e and natural log are inverse, they cancel each other. And when they do so, we are left with x. So here, we are going to have times e raised to the power of the natural log of 7 raised to the power of 700 minus x. So here, this power, 700 minus x, will come to the back, okay? So we are going to have times e raised to the power of 700 minus x times the natural log of 7. On the right hand side, my goal is to make this term to be the same with the exponent, okay? In the exponent, we have natural log of 7. We do not have it here in the base. We are going to introduce it. To introduce it, we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by the natural log of 7. On the right hand side, this term is the same with the exponent. This meets the requirement for the application of the Lambda W function, okay? Now let us apply the Lambda W to both sides of the equation. On the left hand side, we have the Lambda W, 7 raised to the power of 700 times the natural log of 7. And this is equal to, according to the Lambda W, the whole of the right hand side is just equal to this term, 700 minus s times the natural log of 7. So we are going to have 700 minus x times the natural log of 7. Remember, our goal is to find the value of x. The next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides of the equation by the natural log of 7. The next thing we're going to do is to isolate x by moving 700 to the left-hand side of the equation. Note that the sign is going to change from positive to negative. We have minus x on the right-hand side. I want to get rid of it, okay? To get rid of it, I'm going to multiply each of these 3 terms by minus 1. Minus times this term is going to give us minus the Lambda W, 7 raised to the power of 700 times the natural log of 7 divided by the natural log of 7. And here, minus 1 times minus 700 is going to give us plus 700. And this is equal to minus 1 times minus s is going to give us x. The next thing I'm going to do is to rearrange the left-hand side. Okay, here we have 700, and here we have minus the lambda W, 7 raised to the power of 700 times the natural log of 7 divided by the natural log of 7. This is equal to x. This is the value of x. Now, to find the numerical value of x, all you got to do is to input this term in Wolfram Alpha calculator. This will give the value of x as 3.3641136,392. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video helpful, please follow my page and do remember to like, comment, and share. All the best.